12 Genius Beauty Hacks by Priyanka Chopra. Did you know that Priyanka used to be a tomboy? Yes, that's the word her own mother used to describe her life before Miss India. Even a treasure like her sometimes doesn't realize how beautiful she really is. That could also be you. Priyanka's beauty doesn't just come on its own. She has been taking care of her health and look to be this stunning. This means you, yes, you, can also steal her mesmerizing look. Don't believe us? Keep watching this video as we reveal 12 genius beauty hacks Priyanka Chopra herself shares with us. Get those notepad and pen ready, ladies. For healthy, plump lips. Number 1. Natural balm for pinkish lips. Let's start with Priyanka's most prominent feature, her lips. Even without lipstick on, they look so healthy and plump. This lip balm is one of her secrets. And the best part is, you can make it yourself at home. Indian women are known to have traditional secrets in keeping their beauty, and this one she got from her mother. So what's in this special lip balm? First, you need to get rose water. Pour a little into a small cup. Add a bit of sugar and some rose petals. The latter is for that natural pinkish shade even without lipstick on. Apply it on your lips, leave it for several minutes, rub it off, and voila! Pinkish lips you've always dreamed of. Number 2. Lips rub to rejuvenate. While the first tip is for plumpness and natural pinkish color, this one is to exfoliate and rejuvenate. The basic ingredient for this mix is sea salt. Add some into a cup, mix it with vegetable glycerin, remember to always choose the 100% pure one, and add a bit of rose water so it's softer on your lips. Like the first mix, you just have to apply it on your lips, leave it on for a few minutes, and then wipe it off. As simple as that. Problem-free face. Number 3. Coconut oil is a must. After a long day wearing makeup, your skin is screaming for help. Makeup covers your pores. If you don't properly clean your face from makeup, it will clog your pores, and this leads to numerous skin problems, from acne to blackheads. Priyanka has a secret tip for this common issue: coconut oil. Apply lukewarm coconut oil on your face to clean your skin and remove makeup. Leave it on for a few minutes and then gently rub with a warm towel. Remember to pick organic coconut oil for optimum results. This tip she got from her mom has been really useful, especially during Priyanka's pageant days. Number 4. Ubtan. This is a very special beauty secret which Indian women have passed on through generations. Made from basic stuff you find in your kitchen, it's useful to exfoliate your face along with other benefits. First, prepare a small bowl to mix the ingredients. You need whole wheat flour, turmeric, a bit of lime juice, and yogurt. To get the right consistency as most face masks sold in the market, add rose water as needed. Apply it on your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry. Then rub it off gently before you wash it away with water. Smooth skin. Number 5. Oil up your skin. Some people would take care of their face so much but forget about their body skin. Not Priyanka. She understands that beauty comes in a whole package, not just on the face. So every night before she sleeps, she would take around 5 minutes to apply organic vegetable oil on her entire body. No wonder her stylist would compliment her for her soft, glowing skin. Number 6. Priyanka's secret do-it-yourself body scrub. Again, these are all easy to make, natural mixes everyone can try. Besides oiling the skin, exfoliating and cleansing is a must. This scrub is made of 1 cup of graham flour, a big spoon of plain yogurt, a bit of lemon juice, whole milk, a sprinkle of sandalwood powder, and not to forget her favorite ingredient, turmeric. Mix them all in a bowl until it reaches the right consistency. Add more whole milk if you need to adjust it. Once it's ready, apply it on your skin. Let it dry before you gently rub it off your skin. Then take a shower to wash off whatever's left. Since there are so many things added to this body scrub, it's important to check if you're allergic to it before applying it to your body. Try a little bit on your hand and leave it for a few minutes. If there's no bad reaction, you're good to go. Lush and healthy hair. Number 7. Scalp treatment. Didn't we tell you that beauty must be a holistic thing? Once you've taken care of your face and skin, don't forget your hair. Your hair is like your crown, and who wears it better than Priyanka? Besides washing it regularly, your hair and especially your scalp needs a special treatment. Hectic routines can make your hair dry and frizzy. You don't want that, so use this mix to moisturize it. First, you need a full-fat yogurt. Why full fat? We need the oily part as the moisturizer. The more the better. Add a teaspoon of honey and 1 egg. Mix them well. Apply it to your head with a little massage and leave it for 30 minutes before you wash it off. Don't use regular shampoo though. Priyanka suggests a soft baby shampoo for this treatment. Number 8. Hot oil massage. While most people apply it on their skin, Priyanka uses hot oil massage for her hair. What's different is the temperature of the oil when you're applying it. For a massage treatment, they usually heat up the hot oil first, but for this hair treatment, you don't need to. Just keep it in room temperature or even better, lukewarm. The hot oil will help soften your hair, which will make it easier for you to style it. No more bad hair days. What you need to do is just to apply it on your head and then massage your hair from root to tip. Healthy, beautiful body. Most people only focus on beautifying the outside, but a true beauty comes from within, so it is important to stay fit and healthy. How? Here is a tip from Priyanka Chopra herself. Number 9. Coconut water. We all know we need to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated. This is important to keep your skin glowing. A dehydrated body will result in dry skin. And no matter what you do on the outside, it will not be enough. Yes, the best kind of moisturizer is a natural one, which comes from drinking water. In addition to this, Priyanka also consumes coconut water. It contains so many benefits for our body. Just look it up and Wikipedia will show you a list of its abundant uses. Makeup and look tips. Number 10. Don't do eyes and lips together. If you Googled images of Priyanka, you may find her wearing too much makeup during her younger days. She admitted that she made a lot of mistakes in the fashion department. Yes, even Priyanka herself needed to figure out what looks good on her and what doesn't. One thing she learned is to never do eyes and lips together, or else you'll look like a Christmas tree. What she means by that is to choose one to focus on when applying makeup. If you're putting on heavy eye makeup, don't put on too much lipstick. And if you're applying bold color on your lips, don't add another bold color to your eyes. Number 11. Shoes. Priyanka loves good shoes. Whatever she's wearing, she and her stylist would pay attention on what shoes go well with it. Even though your footwear does not speak as loud as your dress and makeup, it still plays a huge part on your look. Last but not least, number 12. Enjoy what you do. Believe it or not, those 12 beauty hacks won't work if you don't exude an I'm happy aura. Priyanka's biggest tip on looking beautiful is that she enjoys what she does. Every single day, she would remind herself that she loves it and she should enjoy every moment. Well, the support from her romantic husband would definitely help that. So ladies, try these beauty hacks and make them your new beauty routines. Be your own Priyanka Chopra, and if you're still single, who knows, you may soon get your own Nick Jonas. Share with us your own experience while trying these 12 tricks. Or perhaps you have your own little beauty secret that you want to share? Let us know in the comment section. In the meantime, happy beautifying self, gorgeous ladies! Thank you for being a part of Rebella. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. We also handpicked these videos which we recommend you watch next, and we'll see you back tomorrow.